Look at what our eggs made. Oh no, gumballs came out. Do you guys know what day it is? It's Marshall's birthday. Yeah, so we've come up with the best idea. We're gonna see who can make the best food for Marshall, and then he's gonna taste it and tell us who won. Okay, pups, to your stations. I'll go here. Okay, Sky, it's your turn. Let's see what you got cooking. We're gonna use our pink slime. Look at that. Ooh, it's all glittery. Perfect, just for Sky. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit here and put it in our pan so it can cook. Alright, put that there. Then open the oven up. Put it all in there. Okay, and then we're gonna push our buttons here. Look at that! Our water's boiling! Oh, look how good it cooked our slime! Woo. Oh, there it goes! Slime's all done. Let's check in the oven. Oh, wow! It made it even bigger! Look at that! Good job, Sky. Put that right there over her. Chase! What are you gonna cook, Chase? It looks like he's gonna cook some eggs. And of course for Chase we need blue slime. Oh, and this one's glittery too. Look at that. Oh, it just bounces. Okay, open up our egg. Stretch out our slime. Push the button. Look at what our eggs made. It cooked the slime super well. Look at that. All right, let's put that over Chase. But then look what else came from the egg. We found an orange egg, a mystery egg. Let's see what's inside of it. Do you see that, you guys? Look, it's a little popper chick. Try one more time. Oh, there it goes. It's gone. Our next pup is Zuma, and we're gonna see what he's gonna cook for us today. But first, we need to get our orange slime, because Zuma loves orange. Oh, there it is. He's gonna be using a toaster. Let's put the slime on the toaster. Okay, and now our toaster. Let's push our button and slime is all done. The toast must have cooked it. That is some yummy slime. Marshall's gonna love it, Zuma. Why don't you just hold on to that? Let's try it without it. Ready? Is toast ready? Oh, the toast is ready. I think he'll love the toast too. Our next pup, of course, is gonna be Rubble. And Rubble looks like he has a fridge. I think we need some slime to put in this fridge. What's Rubble's favorite color? It's yellow, of course. Look at that. Okay, but we need to open the fridge first. Okay, Rubble, open it up. Oh no, gumballs came out. And it looks like they got Rubble. Look at all this yummy food that they have in this fridge. Oh, and look, the freezer came out. I wonder, what do you think about gumball slime? Yes, I think it's a great idea. So we're gonna put some gumballs in here. Let's do some blue ones and some orange and green ones and smush it all up. All right, and it is all ready. Put it all in here and let it cook. Oh, I think it's done. Ooh, look, the gumballs made it pretty colors. All right, there you go, Rubble. We have Rocky, and Rocky has his microwave. But I think we need to get Rocky his green slime. There we go. All right, let's open it up. Oh, it looks like there's a chicken in there. That's okay. We'll just put the slime right on top. We'll make chicken slime. How does that sound? Okay. Oh, it's all done. That is some good looking chicken slime right there. Here you go, Rocky. You hold on to that for Marshall. He's gonna love it. All our pups has finished cooking their slime. I think it's time for Marshall to come and taste them all, don't you? Okay, Marshall, I think you need to try Rocky's first. He did such a good job. Sounds good. That was some good slime, Rocky. But, oh no, I don't feel so good. What was in that slime? Nothing, I just baked it with chicken. Chicken, I feel a little... I turned into a chicken. A chicken! Oh no, we turned Marshall into a chicken! Don't eat rubble, Marshall. No, we need to turn it back. What are we gonna do?
I think I can help. Ow! That chicken. Hurry! I'll turn him back right now. Zim, zam, shabam.
Oh, that was scary. Remind me never to eat chicken slime again. Oh, let's go on to the next pup. Ooh, Rebel. That looks yummy and colorful. That was good. Oh, good. I made it special just for you. It's gumball slime. Gumball slime. Oh, no. I think I have to... Whoa, look at that giant bubble. Uh-oh. I guess no more bubblegum slime for you, Marshall. I guess not. Thanks, though. Okay, Zuma. Whatever you got cooking, it looks yummy. That was yummy, yet a little bready. Well, I made you toast slime. And here's an extra piece of toast. Toast? That was yummy. Good job, Zuma. And I don't feel funny after that. Okay, Chase, what did you make? That was some great slime. What was in it? It was egg slime. And there was a little tiny chicken that popped out of one of the eggs, but I don't know where he went. Aw, pet chicken. Thanks, Chase. I think I just have one more pup. It's Sky. Oh, Sky's covered in slime too. That was great slime. That tasted almost like, I don't know, something yummy. Well, I made you my slime in the stove and on top of the stove and the oven. That's why it tasted so good, Sky. You're the winner. Yay! Thanks, Sky, for the great food. Oh, you're welcome, Marshall. But I think all the pups did really great. Can we all be winners? Of course we can. Good job, Paw Patrol. This is the best birthday ever. Well, the best birthday, except for turning into a giant chicken. And I don't think I feel so good again.
Oh, no more chicken troubles, Marshall. What did we tell you about eating that chicken slime? Oh, boy. Well, we helped Marshall. Let's see what's going to happen next time.
All right, kids, it's time to go to bed. But we're having fun playing with pillows. Gotcha, Peppa. Gotcha, George. Oh no, our pillows. Hurry, pick up your pillow, George. All right, kids, it's time to go to bed. But we're having fun playing with pillows. But it's time to go to bed. It's late, kids. Okay, now go change into your pajamas. Okay, we'll go change into our pajamas.
Hi, little Earthlings. It's me, Marty the Martian. It looks like Peppa and George are having a fun night, but they have to go to bed now.
Okay, I'll go change my pajamas first, Pep. And now he's in the bathroom. All right, George, take a bath. Bath, 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 or a shower. Shower, shower, shower. Boop. Now wash your hands. Psh, psh, brush your teeth. Brush, 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 brush. Okay, now change into your pajamas. Good job, George. Look how cute George's pajamas are. It has a little dinosaur on them. Woohoo! Okay, Peppa, your turn. Okay, George. Okay, now I get to take my bath. Okay, and brush my teeth, wash my hands. Woo. Now I gotta change into my pajamas. Oh, look how cute Peppa's pajamas are. It has a cute little pink heart. We're ready for bed. Good, good. Now take your pillows with you and go to bed. I'm gonna sit on the couch. Boop. Okay, George, grab your pillows. Okay. All right, George is upstairs in bed, Peppa. You better go find him. Okay, I gotta grab my pillows though. I got my pillows. Now let's go. Boop. Okay, George, let's keep having our pillow fight. Even though Dad said to go to bed? Yeah, we can still have a pillow fight. Just be quiet. Okay. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Woo. I got you, Peppa. Oh, George, I got you. Hey, Peppa, George, I told you to go to bed.
But Dad, we're not even tired.
Yeah, but if you don't go to bed now, you're gonna wake up and be so tired you won't even be able to do anything.
Okay, we'll go to bed. George, be quiet. We gotta play pillow fights quiet.
I don't wanna be quiet. Well, you gotta be quiet if you wanna play. Okay, let's put pillows back on.
And I'll get you, George. Yeah.
This is so fun playing pillow fight.
Well, it looks like Peppa and George spent all night playing with their pillows and having pillow fights. Let's see what happens in the morning.
I got a good night's rest. Peppa, George. Huh? What? Is it already morning? It can't be morning. We haven't even slept. All right, kids, it's time to go. We're gonna go meet all of our friends and have a swim party. But I'm so tired. Oh no. Looks like they're gonna have to sleep all day, and we'll have to do the swim party later. Silly kids. Whoop.
That's funny. Peppa and George aren't going to be able to do anything today. And they're not going to be able to do the swim party. But that's okay. They had fun with their pillow fights. All right, little Earthlings. That's it for this story. Remember to go to sleep. Hi, guys. Subscribe for more adventures with me, Marty. Zim, zam, shabam. Oh, look. Here's some videos you can watch. It's going to be super fun.